Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact image you want on your PS4. Pick a 1920 by 1080 image so it fits the screen. Save as JPEG or PNG. Once done, either copy it to a USB drive formatted FAT32 in a PS4/images folder, or transfer the file to your PS4 and save it to Capture Gallery. Make sure the file name and format are correct so the system recognizes it, and then move straight to the console to access that file. Now you go to Capture Gallery on the PS4 and find the image you imported. You select the image, press Options, and choose Set as Background. You can crop and position it so the important part sits behind icons. Once positioned, pick the background tint, light or dark, to keep icons readable. After you confirm, the system will apply the image and show a preview on the home screen. Make sure icons aren't obscuring key parts of the picture before finalizing. Finish by confirming Apply so the new wallpaper appears on your home screen. If it looks off, restart the PS4 to clear cache. If the image won't show, check the basics. Correct 16:9 resolution, JPEG/PNG format, and the USB folder named PS4/images when using a drive. Also make sure your PS4 is up to date. If problems persist, resave the picture as a PS4 screenshot or reduce file size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.